Hello guys, I'm Jollity Xing from the University of Sydney. This is my video for Innovative Work of Chapter 18 Global Project Management of the University of Sydney. Um, and today, I want to talk about some about interactive text and images. And actually, we always use the email for the communication when we are in the business work, and the interactive text and the images. It's for a new generation for team members, and they want to have a well accustomed to charts, BBS, news group, SMS, in the other media about allow to exchange of the ideas and to have the high level efficiency when clear procedures are in place. And the first one is evaluate technologies for instant message, and it is almost include everything in the first step. Is need the compare the different solutions of the tools, and just like but sometimes the email is for a long time for communication, and especially when we are in the global project management, and so we need to compare the web system and to choose the better one. And the first step is we need to check the exciting instant message system, and to evaluate if we have already got the web system, and it need to evaluate in the exciting instant messaging solution, and then implementation of the new instant message solution. And if we found some problems about our exciting instant message solutions, we need to complete with the points in the dynamic and created at the beginning of these chapters. And we also need to improve our message solution in case of the emergency things occurred, and we can solve it. And we also need to implementation these tools, and it can setting up discovery servers, and can help us to communication and messages better. And then we need to defining a process for instant messaging setup. And this picture is the most popular tools when we are working in China, and it called QQ from the Tencent. And you can see the first part is the picture and the fields, and we can also use the picture from the internet and to test on the internet, and use it when we are use the tool. It's very convenient for us to communication each other in a quick time, and no matter where you are in the world. So it's useful and helpful. And also we need to evaluate the technology for web conferencing. And the web is the most important thing. We use the international technology on the internet. So we need to evaluating what our technologies for the web are the existing, and we also need to make sure if we should to improve our web, and how can we improve the web to, and so that we can serve our group member better. And also we need to evaluate the existing web conference solutions, so that we need to improve the serve qualities. And this is a part of implementation of web conferences and definition pressures for the web conference setup. And this part, the picture I pick it from the Global Project Management book. And this part is mainly talk about that we need to check the web and explain the procedures for web conference setup, and how to do it, and some real life technologies from the author's man. And the definition, the process of the web conference setup. In this part, we need to explain how to create a web conference account, and how to schedule a meeting, and how to start and manage the session, and how to use the available features. And we need to explain to the user, and we need to explain the detail to the users. So it's a really important part. And use the tools, use some technology tools to explain the users, and make it easy, and make it better to join for. And the last part of this one, we need to compare the new result with the initial finding. And so actually, when we use the new tool for sometimes we need to have the text, check it, and have a test if it is better for users to than before. And we need to have feedback and from the users, and if so that we can have more better service for the users when we are in the global project management. Actually, I don't have so many experience about the global project management in the part of the web technology, but it's very common for Chinese people to use the QQ from Tencent and the Skype for the international communication. And when we are in communication, and just a short communication, and maybe we don't need to use the email to have and to tell them. If we just reply for the okay and I got it, and we don't need to use the email for to return. So it's a convenience tools, and it's also for the global, and for the simple communication, and the upload the files. So, and also the Skype, and we can use it for the short time video, and the short we can make up a virtual place to communication. That should be better. And that's my references. Okay, and the last time, then thank you, and thank you my teacher, Bonner Jai. Bye bye.